Enterprise Health has a plan, and it's not just a promise, it's proven. A plan to make clinicians more efficient, stay compliant, and bring back human connection. And it begins and ends with Ozwell AI. We're starting with bringing back eye contact with your patients. Ozwell listens and accurately transcribes your conversation, then goes ahead and drafts a summary of the visit. Enterprise Health is making the patient the center of attention.
Hey Ozwell, give me a 2-paragraph summary of the patient for an occupational health visit. Remind me when the patient's next audiogram is due.
We're finding new ways for clinicians to save up to 10 minutes per encounter, keeping them charting in their coats, not their PJs. That's why Ozwell is fully integrated inside visit encounters. With a click of a button, your encounter is filled with the narrative from your conversation. Not only that, but it's split into the correct sections of the encounter. And it's not just about documenting during a visit. It's also about documenting after you archive and close. That's why Ozwell can automatically generate documents like return to work letters, OSHA 301 reports, referral letters, and care plans. And Enterprise Health made this plan with an even bigger promise in mind: security. That's why Ozwell AI is pDSI certified by Drummond, meeting the highest standards of security, clinical accuracy, and regulatory compliance. But Enterprise Health is thinking even bigger. We want Ozwell to impact the world globally. That means Ozwell can understand and interact with over 50 different languages, because we don't think a language barrier should stop you from giving great care. Ozwell is ready. Are you? Join Enterprise Health in bringing back what matters most. Try Ozwell today.